Setting up a video ad campaign with Facebook. Facebook is an amazing platform to show your video ads. As you may know, Facebook is the most popular social media in the whole world, so you better use it to connect with your audience. With Facebook, you can start a campaign to show your video ads with what is known as video views, and I will show you how to do that right now. First, go to facebook.com/business/products/ads. With Facebook ads, you can create targeted ads to reach different audiences and meet your business goals. Also, you are able to reach more than 1.4 billion people, and you can choose from their location, age, interests, and more. Also, with Facebook ads, you can reach more than 700 million people who visit Facebook every day on their phones and tablets. You can also help people get directions to your shop, download your app, add an item to a shopping basket, or take another action on your website. But most importantly of all, right now, view your videos. Let's back up and click on Create Ad. Log in if needed, and once you do that, you'll be redirected to the Facebook Ads Manager. Here you'll create your Facebook ads campaign. The first step is choosing your objective. You have 3 options: awareness, consideration, and conversion. In the consideration option, you'll find the video views option. Click on it. With this option, you'll promote videos like showing behind-the-scenes footage, product launches, or customer stories to raise awareness about your brand. If you haven't created an ad account yet, you'll be asked to do so. You'll be asked to enter your account info, including country, currency, and time zone. I have already created my ad account before, so that option won't be shown to me. What I will do is name my campaign and click on Continue. Now you have to customize your audience by choosing locations, age, gender, languages, detailed targeting to include or exclude people and connections. Once you finish, click on Save This Audience, and you can use it for future ads. Placements is to show your ads to the right people in the right places. You can use automatic placements, which is recommended, or edit placements. I will take away Instagram for now because I only want people from Facebook to see my videos at the moment. I will show you how to set up video ads for Instagram in the following video. In Budget and Schedule, you have to define how much you'd like to spend and when you'd like your ads to appear. You'll also be able to customize the optimization for ad delivery, bid amount, when you are charged, ad scheduling, and delivery type. You can also name your ad. Once you finish, click on Continue. For creating the ad, you can create an ad with 2 or more scrollable videos. You can create an ad with 1 video, or you can create a looping video with up to 10 images. If you choose single video, you just need to upload your video with the recommended video specs. You can connect your Facebook page, add text, and a website URL. If you click on Show Advanced Options, you can set up URL parameters, pixel tracking, and offline tracking. In the ad preview, you'll be able to see how your ad will look on different places sponsored by Facebook. Once you are ready, click on Place Order.